And here's the baked potato that I promised. It's way too much cheese, but it's a big potato. And what we do, or what I do, is I just take these, just kind of crumple it up, mix it all up in there. Now right now, because we just opened this jerky, I'd say it's about as moist as a hot dog after you roasted it, say maybe over a fire. It's not real dry, but it's not runny moist. Now this, on this paper towel, this stuff will last. Well, it's not, if you forgot about it and didn't eat it, it'd probably last in the air conditioning inside the house. I'm outside in my kitchen now, the outside kitchen, where we do all the deer and all that kind of stuff. It'd last maybe a week before it just got rock hard. And if you don't like eating it rock hard, well then eat it before a week. But it's not going to last but just a few days. I'll eat that much in a couple days. But that's about how much I put on the potato right there. Mix it up. It's just same thing as, you might as well call it bacon bits. Now, the bags, we always put on there what we did. For some reason, we cut this one off wrong, because I always try to cut the name off. The bags, we wash them out, and I put them in the freezer, and I freeze them, and I just reuse them. So they keep getting shorter and shorter and shorter. But the bags aren't really that pricey, but you know, waste not, want not type deal. And the same thing with the if I put up a ham or something like that in a bigger bag, I'll try to save it too. Now sometimes you can't, you know, that they'll go bad on you. A rib might poke through or something. But if they stay good, I'll reuse them down to well, heck, you know, I don't care how low I go, really, as long as I can seal it. I'll get them down that size for sure. So you kind of, you know, you expanding your money a little bit. Time to eat. Baked potato, deer and pork. What the heck you call that? Jerky. Couldn't remember what I called it. Muscadines, 3 figs, balanced meal.